You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in northern France. If you want to learn more French vocabulary and names of famous places around France, make sure to stay tuned. So let's look at the French pronunciation first. Arras. Arras. Yes, the S is pronounced. Very often the last final S's are not pronounced, but that's an exception. Arras. In English, you can say it as English pronunciation, Arras. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.